Hey folks, Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here, and today we are previewing our newest listing in Gulf Harbor, right in Fort Myers. This is the Tamarind Cay subdivision within the community, and we're featuring a second floor condo, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, over 1,800 square foot. Let's run inside and take a look. First thing on the left here, you do have an exterior entry and exit way to your 1-car garage. And then walking into the home directly on the left side, you also have access to that same garage right from the inside. And here we go, up the stairs and taking a look. As we come up the stairs and land really, I guess, towards your entryway here, you've got the dining, the kitchen, and the great room space. But first, we're going to turn our attention to the left here. And this is where you have the 2 bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1. And then we have bedroom number 2, which you can also use as a den if you like. It's featured as a bedroom here. It does have a closet and a window, but you do have the double doors here to close as if it were a den. Then we have the guest bath. Now, one of the nice things about the guest bath here is it does tie in to either bedroom. So from this bedroom, you have access to the bath here. And from the other bedroom, you have access to that same bath as well. So depending on your guests, you can always close these doors off and have an ensuite type of scenario. Now, just off the bedrooms and the bath, you have your indoor laundry area. All right, let's take a look at the main areas. We've got our dining room here right off the kitchen, and this overlooks your stairwell. It's nice and bright. You've got a lot of natural light coming in here. And then just past that, we go into our kitchen. You've got the white cabinets, stainless appliance package here, granite countertops. Got a nice bar section here for seating. And you do also have a small workspace area where you can stick your computer, your chair as well. Here we've got the eat-in kitchen spot with a nice little sitting nook just off of that. We'll get to the lanai here shortly and the views, but first we're going to look at your living room space here. So nice usage of this space. And just past this room, we have the owner's retreat. So coming into the room on the left, first thing we're going to look at is the primary bath here with the dual sinks. You've got the tub in the corner and then a recently renovated shower as well. Right across from here, you have a linen closet here, and that is your clothes closet. You also have another one right here on this side, right past the mirror doors there. And then the rest of the room here, it's nice and bright, nice and open. And you do have the sliders going out to your exterior living spaces. Speaking of which, that is the last part of this home to check out. So you're going to get a great view of the 5th hole here at Gulf Harbor. That is a tremendous view there. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.